What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we find ourselves at Overland Expo West, where we've been working at the Kingstar camper booth all weekend and meeting all of you all. What a great time. That said, we're gonna take a little bit of time out of the day, go walk around, check out some vendors we're interested in, and see if we get some products to solve some problems that we have in the truck. Those include places like off-the-grid surplus, taking some time to identify if we could find some adventure clothing. Goal zero, we're looking for external solar panel that we can attach to expand our solar capabilities. Sherpa roof racks. We're looking at putting a solar panel on top of the truck so that we can actually keep the battery charged as we go. So I think Sherpa might have some solutions for us, and then a few other ones. But before we get started, checking out the vendors, the first thing we need to do is get some coffee.
Grumpy Bear Coffee. We're at the Overland Expo of 2024, and we're serving some very, very delicious craft coffee this morning. Got some mugs and stickers, and then these cool Brew Trek cups that we just launched with the aerospace as well.
Yes.
Check that out.
We have the Brew Treks as well. Big fan.
Right. Yes.
All right, let's try it. What kind of coffee is this?
So this is our medium roast, and we are in Austin and in Montana. So enjoy. It has tropical notes to it, and it's very smooth craft coffee.
Salute. Oh,
Like it?
I like that. I knew that was the reason we liked Aaron. We ran into him just the other night. Great content creators. They do some really cinematic filming, outdoor world. Check them out on Deep Snap, and check out Grumpy Bear Coffee. Very tasty. Cool to see it. Glad you guys are here, and we're definitely gonna pick some up for the camper because we're actually out of coffee. All right, we are at Geyser, and big fans of this product. I don't know if you remember some of the clips from King of the Hammers. Extremely dusty, extremely dirty. We actually picked up one of their RV water systems, which adapts our RV shower head. You just unscrew the tip, plug in these shower systems here, and then you have a sponge that directs the water directly on your body. We've been using it for months now. We've been absolutely thrilled about it and loving it. And I want to just have Geyser show the rest of their product line because they're more than just shower head replacements.
Yeah, so we're here to help people make the most of every drop of water because let's face it, we always have plenty of food, plenty of propane, but water is just it's the first thing to run out. And we never have enough water to clean everyone and everything. And that was especially true when I was living in the back of a troop carrier in Australia, where I came out with our now flagship Geyser system. We have two models. This model is our standard model, and we have another model that has a heating element inside. Of the two models, my favorite is the standard, and I'll tell you why in a second. The big thing that we are now able to achieve, which is an absolute breakthrough, is you're able to now shower two people with this amount of water, or one person with long hair, but 0.8 gallons. It's going to last you up to 15 minutes of shower time, which is incredible. And I'll show you how it's done. First, you start off with 2 liters of cold water. I designed it around our favorite camping stove, the Jetboil or the MSR wind burner. Top it off with a liter of boiling water, and that's all you need. You now have a piping hot shower ready in as little as 2 minutes. And instead of a shower head that's blowing through water and wasting it everywhere, you're gonna send the water through a sponge, putting the water exactly where you need it. And what's really cool about these sponges is that they're interchangeable. So this yellow one's mine, the blue one's for you, and we'll agree this pink sponge is for the dishes, and now we got our base camp organized. Outside of this new product, this product has been around since 2020, by the way. It's now in all REI stores, Bass Pro, Cabela's. If you ever need to pick up another scrub, you can always go buy one of those stores anywhere around the country, or you can buy from us online. This year, we launched a new product that Reyes has been talking about. If you have an RV or you already have a shower head in your rig, and you want to get into boondocking mode, all you got to do is just take off the existing shower wand and put on the new Geyser Eco Shower. So this is the same sponge, but just replaces your shower head. You got a flow control valve to give you full control of the amount of water that's coming through, and then wash yourself off with a sponge. And by the way, these are really easy to interchange, and they also come in different colors. At any rate, if you want to find out more about all our water-saving solutions and products, just go to geysersystems.com. We're here on a mission to help you save and make the most of every drop of water.
Awesome. I second everything you just said. We've been big fans once again. So check out their products. Check out your local REI online. A lot of places you can find it. Definitely worth it and would highly recommend. We're walking around looking for our friends at Klean Freak, and I can't find them anywhere. Oh, there they are. We got them. This way.
Here, so you can strap it down to the back of the bike.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Good morning.
Good to see you, brother.
How are you, bro?
Fantastic.
Good.
You guys have already seen a lot from these guys, so I'm not going to do the whole spill. Long story short, great product. Buy the wipes, use the flushers, great for RVs. We're actually going to pick some up right now. That's why we're here. Off to the next one.
Island Black, yeah, that's our new product launch this year. Drain canopy, place bed replacement.
That looks epic. Beautiful, beautiful product, guys.
Sweet. All the sliders.
Yeah. Look at these sliders. This thing is expedition ready. Holy moly. Kitchen setup, nice locking doors. Woo.
I like these long.
Oh, that is nice. Oh,
Really
look,
fun to
there's a
drive.
buddy Phil.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Okay.
All right, we're off the grid. They make pretty awesome adventure clothing, from what I've been told. They make some of the best adventure pants. I hear there's a big race kind of background that went into these pants. They have all the pockets in all the right spots. So let's see if we could find someone to talk to and get a breakdown on what makes their clothes so awesome. Good.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is our Trailblazer pant. This was actually the pant I designed very first when I was starting the brand. This is just what I envisioned for this community, was a mix of workwear, outdoor, and tactical, all rolled into an everyday wearable package with our Trailblazer pant. So it has like a very workwear type look to it, but all our pants and shorts and everything have mag pockets on them. You have your normal utility pockets, and then we have our knife patches on the front as well, and then a hidden zip pocket. You have pre-bent knee shape, kick plates like you would see on an outdoor pant, right? But again, very easy to wear every single day, but super functional. And so then later on, this is our women's version of the pant. It's called the Kestrel pant. One thing we always heard girls complain about was too short of pocket bags, not enough like full-size pockets. So we, a lot of our girls do work, Bailey, who was a friend of ours, she builds race cars. And so she wanted a pant she could wear in the shop, but still look good. So, we add some curve, the shape that we need, but then you still have like a big cargo pocket that you can fit a phone in. We took the mag pockets off these because a lot of the girls said they didn't want it, and the way the body shape is, it doesn't really accentuate, a woman's pants. So, but yeah, same pre-bent knee shape, just all around great pair of pants. So this is our core product line, and it's one that's always done well for us.
So that is a pretty sweet line right there in product. I know Dee and I want to try them out as we've been adventuring on the road full time over the past year. I burned through pants. I've been using like 511 jeans. They hold up a little bit longer than other things, but at the end of the day, there's not a good solution. And you want more pockets. You always have the gear with you, whether you're out starting a fire or you're wrenching on your rig because, something broke down. So definitely want to look into this and see if it's something that would fit in well with our adventure lifestyle. First, shout out to Sir William Goes, because this is the reason I came over here was because he talked about a magical shirt that happens to hold 6 pocket beverages. You choose the beverage of choice, but here she is. I think this could be my new expedition shirt.
All right, so this is our lightning bolt shirt is what it's called. I wanted a Baja themed Hawaiian shirt, so I worked with a buddy of mine to come up with this print. We got a Willys Jeep, you got the Baja Peninsula, some lobsters on there. But I always like functionality and pockets. So you have your chest pocket, passport, cards and stuff, great for that. And then on the back, I wanted to add a stash pocket. So this is our rear stash pocket we have on all our shirts. That's like a full Nalgene bottle. But yeah, you can, again, you're not gonna wanna walk super far with it, but let's say you need to take some beers to a buddy at the campfire, just throw them in the back and then hand them out. So.
Yeah.
It also has a rear vent on it up the center. So like when you stretch, if you're working or something, it opens up, ventilates really good. So yeah, that's our lightning bolt shirt.
Love that. That pattern is insane. All right, we're headed back to the Kingstar booth. We're working the booth with them this year again, so with the exhibitors.
But I got a pretty sweet shirt. We got one of those orange lightning shirts. Kind of pumped to put that on. I'm gonna rock it today. You know, I like it. So here we go, and we'll come back out after a little break from the Kingstar booth and see if we can find some more cool vendors. All right, I think we found the next vendor we want to check out, and we have Sherpa. They make roof racks and other modular systems. We're definitely interested in putting a roof rack on our F550. Not a lot of solutions out there, but I think Sherpa might be the answer to some of the problems that we're currently facing. So let's go ahead and see if we can talk to them and check out their product line. So I'm here at Sherpa with Alex, and he's gonna give us a rundown of their roof rack system. This one happens to be on their brand new Tacoma. Awesome looking product, and he's gonna tell us about all the other options and accessories that they have going on with these builds.
Yeah, so here at Sherpa, we manufacture premium rack systems. Our main thing is just exterior storage right now. We do rack systems, bed racks. We've been doing it for about 7 years. American made. We manufacture everything in our facility in Colorado, but we have tons of fitment. We started in the Toyota world, so we have a lot of fitment for the Toyota. We've been branching out. We have some of the full-size trucks. We do Ram, Ford. This last year, we've been getting into the Jeep product as well. So we have our Jeep Gladiator here. But yeah, I mean, reach out to us if we don't have fitment for you. We're always looking to expand our fitment options, but what we do have on our website should work for a lot of vehicles out there right now. So be sure to check it out and see what we have.
I'm going to put that to the test because we want to put one of these on an F550. Not your usual build, but we'll see if it fits.
Absolutely. It's awesome.
All right, our next vendor of the day is Barebones. We're big fans of Barebones. We have their little hatchet, cleaver, machete knife. I forget what it's called. With that, we have all of their plates. We have their coffee cups. We have an apron. You may see that somewhere else in the future. A lot of fun stuff going on, but they got some new products they're going to be launching here in a couple of months. They have a really diverse product line, and we only have a little bit of it. So we're gonna get the insider scoop and see what's coming out and what's available for all of you guys out there in the wild.
Hey, I'm Eric with Barebones Living. Here to show you kind of our new block tower system that's going to be launching this summer. So it's a 3-part system. They all can be sold individually or as a kit. We got your first is the battery bank. It's got USB output, USB-C output, and it also has wireless charging. So you can throw your phone on it, charge your phone up off of it, run your computer off of it. And then the next piece is our Bluetooth speaker. It also has a built-in battery, but then you can also stack it on the battery bank to charge it. Then it also has the wireless charging as well. Then the last one is the light. It's a Edison style lantern. Pretty bright out here, so you can't really see it, but it's all made out of copper and brass, and that as well charges right off the top of it too. So our block tower system coming out this summer. Follow us along to kind of see when we do the launch of it.
You heard it from Eric. Check it out. Fun stuff. It's gonna be great at the park, great at the campsite. Honestly, great in your house. Cool products. Check them out. I know I'm gonna take a look around right now, see what else they got to offer. All right, I think the last stop for the day is going to be Goal Zero. We just did a little review on one of the little power banks. Big fan, but we need something a little bit bigger and we need more solar. So let's see what they have to offer.
The Nomad 400 appears to be a great solar solution for us, and we definitely want to look into that path. They had a really cool Yeti Pro 4000 generator, and these are interesting because they're expandable up to 1500 amp hour. And then they had the Yeti 700, 500, and 300. The 700 could fill a good place in our camper to keep our laptops and air purifier running during the night. All right, guys, that's it for the Overland Expo Mountain West. It is a great time. We had a blast. Lots of cool vendors. If you had a chance to stop by the booth and say hello, thank you for coming by. It was absolutely great to talk to all of you. I know both I and Deidre enjoyed it. We look forward to catching you guys at the next one. We will be at Pacific Northwest, so if you guys happen to be there, swing in, say hello, let's have a conversation. Check out the new rig. We've been absolutely loving this build. It's only, 1,300 miles fresh off the build, but we're gonna put it through the paces and put it through the tests on our way out to Pacific Northwest. That rhymed. So anyways, If you have any questions, any comments, don't forget to hit that comment section, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one.